Your orders. Aerial assault. Eldar down. Go. Assault squad on the way.
Can you hear that? Enemy walker.
Valerian was the best of us, humans. You will pay dearly for his loss.
Habitus under attack.
It is done. Move on.
Raise weapons.
Our foes grow in strength.
Assault squad is ready to deploy.
Eldar grav tank. Fire prism class.
That cannon blew open the gate. Anti-armor tactics, now!
Eldar! Man, eye on the Space Marines. The units must not get through.
All press meeting calls.
Your orders. Engage by Eldar! It is done. Move on.
Cyrus here. Battle
Point
ready
secure.
once more. As you order. Fall into position, initiate.
That's a good position.
Ready for orders.
Jump to that position.
She summons the powers of the warp itself.
Target in sight. Habitus under attack.
Engaging at range.
Beware her sorcery. Keep your distance. More of them. Kill them all.
Destroy the Space Marines! Cut them down where they stand!
Our tarantula sentry guns is under enemy attack.
It is done. Move on. Engage jump packs.
Have its formation, brother. Go. Habitus under attack.
None may harm the Farseer so long as we live.
Kill them all. Damnation, we need support. Understood. Hold fast. Thou art a Philistine, brother. Sergeant of Terminator Squad reporting for duty, Commander.
No!
I stand with my brothers, Eldar.
Terminator armor. Where did it come from?
They were the centerpiece of Bandus's collection. Now let us finish with these Xenos.
I am armored in the ruins of Alpanash!
come from such primitives. I wonder if the bloody-handed god will teach you anything in turn.
Why, witch? Why seek to doom these worlds?
You never asked yourself where this high fleet was bound for next. Unless we stopped it here, it would next feed upon Eldar. Surely even you can see 3 human worlds was a small price to pay to see the craft work.
Save your excuses, witch. Angel Forge is secure, and your life is at its end.
Let our enemies beware, for victory is ours.
Commander, I commend you on your leadership in this crisis. You have made very significant progress in your battle with the High Fleet. And the death of Idranel has finally put an end to Eldar operations in the sector.
I hope it has, Captain. But I am not so certain.
Regardless, securing Angel Forge means we now have a means to produce weapons for our battle against the Tyranids. We still lack any real capability to attack the High Fleet proper, however. Continue your attempts to recover data from the Tech Priest's array on Typhon, and your efforts to cure Captain Thule. Only when we uncover a weakness in the High Fleet and have the necessary biotoxin sample can we put Angel Forge to work for us. Angelos out.
And thank you for saving Meridian, Commander. I have issued a warrant for the former governor's arrest and confiscated all of House Vandis' holdings. We will conduct a thorough search for any additional Bloodraven relics. You should find my administration to be much more cooperative. DeRosa out.